It's Ish again. So I'm here today to do a tutorial on how I achieve these braids. I did it by myself. And right here my hair is a little thin, so that's why it looks a little shaky. But yeah, it was easy. 1, 2, treasy. Alright, so I told y'all I took 2 braids out for y'all. 2 braids. Okay, so first what I did, so I just parted my hair. I started from the back when I did it. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. So you guys know how everybody has like the goddess locks? They add extra hair. Girl, you ain't even gotta do all that. Cause let me tell you, I wasn't gonna do all that. And girl, you wanna save coins? Ain't nobody got time to be adding 6 different packs of hair, 5 different Let me tell you, I use like 2 packs and a piece. If I would say a half, but it's like a quarter. I'm gonna hook you up right now. Right now. What you do is, so let me show. I'm gonna tell you how to get this, how to achieve this. But first, what I'm gonna do is show you how I braid this hair in. So for y'all that don't know how to braid, I personally ain't got no choice because my coins ain't. I got bills to pay, you know. I'm a hardworking mama out here. Hardworking mama. And you take a rubber band. See that? Rubber band. And you rubber band your hair. Wrap it up, keep it safe, wrap it. You see I took the hair out for y'all. I told y'all I'm coming to y'all real live and correct. Real live and correct. You gotta respect me for this. Real live and correct. I'm gonna come correct. But today I had to put makeup on because you ain't gonna, not all the time. You gonna get that sometime, but not all the time. Alright, so got your hair, right? And you gotta make your hair where it's like, because you know when you cut the hair in half, you got the long, so you're going to have your hair, right? Your braiding hair, and it's going to come like in a pack like this. Nah, sis, we ain't doing that. Your pack going to be like this, so you take the scissors and you just go in the middle and you cut it, right? Chop, chop. And then you're going to have your hair like this, right? And then what you do is like the doing the braiding stores. I would say Africans, but not everybody African braid, but when I used to get my hair braided and pay for it, $100 and $150 and $175 and just keep on going. Sis! I ain't right got like that. So, I'm going to tell you what you do. You take your hair that you just cut in half, so now it's even. And you don't want it even. You want it to look like this. You see how it look all drapey and stuff? You take it and you just go keep pulling it piece by piece. Then, you don't know how to braid hair. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to show you. You put the hair like this, so it's in between your fingers. And you take the 3 pieces, right? So you got 3 pieces of hair, and then you add on to the piece of hair that you have with the rubber band. Make sure the rubber band's tight, right? It's going to make your hair last longer, trust, because these hair look brand new, but anyway. So you take 3 pieces, you turn that 2-piece into a 3-piece. I'm ordering chicken, I'm hungry. Yeah, so take that 3-piece, take that 2nd piece, hold it with your hair, so your hair goes in there. Whatever edge control you want to use. Right now, what's next to me is my edge booster, but I wouldn't use this because sometimes it turns your hair white, but I'm going to use it for the video purposes. I think I used, forgot the name of that edge control. But yeah, you see how it's like, my hair is growing, girl. You see that? Shrinkage be real, but when you be putting stuff, like, I come and correct it. And then, like I said, the 2nd piece, you add it to your hair. See what I did? I wrapped. So 1, 2, and 3. So I wrapped this side around, right? And now you're braiding, sis.
You braid that all the way down. Braid that all the way
And
down.
as you're braiding down, you add more edge control.
Cause you don't want no flyaways. No flyaways, sis. And
gotta braid it all the way down. I'll leave it right here. Boom. Right? Because we about to make it goddessy anyway. You ain't even gotta braid it all the way down and burn the ends like you used to do back in the day. We ain't doing all of that. And you know what I'm gonna do for y'all? I'm gonna show you how I added the color. Cause it's mad easy, girl. I'm trying to hook y'all up. You ain't gotta go to the braiding goddesses no more. No more. Spend no more coin that you could be saving in your bank account. See? I got mad at this hair. I don't know. I felt like I bought some hair and I just never used it. So I said, throw it in the braid. Take a little piece, cause I got a job out here. I can't be out here looking crazy, too crazy. Ain't nothing against it, but my job, I can't just be out here with colors of the hairs. I wish, but y'all out there that's living that best life, do what you must. I wish I could wear some blue hair, girl. I said, when you have the hair, you pull it apart. That's how you make it long. You want the long goddessy hair? You gotta pull it apart. You just can't just be tossing that shit in your head like that. You gotta work for this, right? So when you're done pulling and making a mess in your house, and your daddy be like, the fuck? And you be like, I look cute for you. And he be like, but you got hair all over the place. He be like, well, take your edge control. I wasn't flipping y'all off. Take your edge control. Put in your hair. So you don't have no flyaways. Then you make sure you pull your rubber band. Then, like I said, I taught y'all. Remember, separate in two, right? Two. Put this finger in there so you could grab the hair. So now you got 3. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. What happens when you don't add you gotta keep adding your edge control as you braid down. But I ain't do that with this part, you see? I'm happy I didn't so you guys could see what I was talking about. You see how I didn't add edge control to this one? But this one I did, so you see the difference? It still got a little bit, but you can always clip that with scissors, but see the difference when you add edge control and you don't? Let me braid this down a little bit more so when I do the goddess, it'll push through. All right, so these are the 2 braids I did, right? Rusty and Dusty. They're sisters. One is blonde, one is black. Goddess box braids. Yeah, so so what I did was take a couple of braids and then braid them like this. Y'all about to be like, sis, you done save me some coins. You welcome. I see you over there rocking your goddess box braids. All right. So after you braid it, get your hot water and you dip it. Dip it, dip it, dip it. Dip it a little bit. You don't gotta dip it all the way up there unless you want everything to be curly from up there, but I just really want the ends to be curly. And then I count to like 20. Take it out. It's hot, hot. Hot water, hot water. And then you just let it sit for a little bit. We're gonna take this braid out. Look, sis. This one a little shabby still, but look, it's all goddessy. Look. Boom. This one a little shabby still, though. Right now. You want to add some edge control to that. What I was trying to tell y'all. Look. Don't say I ain't never do nothing for ya. Right? So look, now you got goddessy braids. And then my braids is super long. Look. How long do y'all? Just leave comments below. I'm here. Make sure y'all subscribe and come back to my channel. Deuces. Isha's out.